Hello, we are AthleTech. Amateur athletes worldwide strive to improve at their sports, but face barriers due to limited access to quality coaching and scouting opportunities. Elite teams with the best coaches have few openings, leaving most athletes without the quality personalized guidance that is necessary to thrive. Unfortunately, economic and geographic barriers hinder access to alternative coaching solutions. This results in a disparity in success rates, notably between wealthy and disadvantaged athletes due to the pay to play culture in U.S. youth sports. This success gap is shown through the fact that wealthy athletes are over 2 times more likely to play college sports. Additionally, the scouting process favors elite teams, excluding many athletes from consideration. These factors collectively contribute to disproportionate success rates in sports due to external factors. AthleTech levels the playing field by providing a platform where all athletes can receive quality personalized coaching, and elite coaches can easily review athletes from any background. AthleTech focuses on the complete player with guidance that encompasses athletes' physical performance, technique, and decision making. Our program is easy for any athlete to use. First, users input film of their games and training along with physical performance tests. We found that over 90% of athletes at our school already received film from their games, but we will provide sports cameras for players or teams that demonstrate financial need. Next, with the uploaded data, the program gives feedback to users regarding their performance in the 3 categories. This helps users understand their strengths and weaknesses. Finally, users receive personalized drills and training to implement into their regimen. We will now dive into demonstrations of the user experience. This example follows a tennis player that is working on his serve technique. When the user inputs the short video to AthleTech, the program identifies 4 issues with his swing and provides easily understandable comments and diagrams to help him improve his serve. For the physical aspect, AthleTech creates a personalized training program based on the user's strength and agility measurements, along with in-game performance. Here's an example of a user's weekly regimen. For decision-making feedback, the program takes a soccer player's game film and points out the player's mistake, instructing him on what he could have done differently. The final part of the product is an athlete database for coaches and scouts. Thorough player profiles make it easy for scouts to search for the kind of players they want on their team. This saves scouts time while recruiting players, saves players time from contacting coaches, and allows all players to be recruited based solely on their skill level. The primary demographic for AthleTech is teenage athletes who struggle to pay for quality coaching. This adds up to about 13 million users in the US alone. However, many other youth athletes and active adults could utilize the program. We could tap into the 64 million active adults that exercise every day and the 35 million total youth sports participants for a total potential market of almost 100 million users in the US. In addition, approximately 25,000 head coaches for college sports would be eager to more easily recruit prospects. As artificial intelligence is being introduced to the sporting industry, there are some existing alternatives to AthleTech, but our unique value sets us apart from the rest. When comparing AthleTech to traditional private coaching, the most notable difference is our price. Our financial model is built on growing recurring subscription revenue from athletes, coaches, and teams. Athletes will be charged a monthly fee of $30 to access the platform, which is a fraction of what a personal coach would charge for a single session. Coaches will be charged $500 and teams will be charged $1,500 on an annual basis. Assuming a modest player adoption of 1,000 athletes and coach and team subscriptions of 150 in our first year of operations, we will generate revenues of over $600,000. If we assume a 70% year-over-year growth rate, which is average for early-stage software companies offering services that are high in demand, by year 4 of operations, AthleTech will generate revenues of $3.3 million and gross profits of $2.7 million. Here's a brief description of the AI technology we use. Computer vision techniques enable AthleTech to analyze video footage of athletes in action. We leverage existing AI pose estimation and item tracking models to recognize specific movement patterns of our users and professionals. In addition, supervised learning algorithms train the model to recognize certain movements and performance indicators, while unsupervised learning algorithms uncover hidden structures within the data. By comparing the movements and trends of amateurs to professional athletes, the program will understand what our users can improve. Finally, using statistical modeling, the AI adjusts users' training to optimize improvement based on broad and individual performance outcomes over time.